I'd like to show you how effective heat paste is. This is a wonderful product that we sell that acts as a barrier between your flame and the item that is underneath it. So let's say you have a ring that needs to be sized and it has a Marby pearl in it, or it has a piece of leather or enamel or resin and it cannot take any heat. You coat the item that you need complete protection on. So you will make sure that you have a layer of at least 3 to 5 millimeter completely around the item you need to protect. Today, as an example, I'm going to be taking a wax model that cannot take any heat without destroying it and covering it with the heat paste to show how effective this barrier can be. You can also use it for solder joins, for basket settings, claw settings, so that you don't have solder joints bursting open when you are trying to solder wires or claw settings together. The outside will go very ash-like and crusty, and that can just be dusted off. And if the paste still has moisture in it, you can completely reuse it. So the paste contains a special gel-like substance that once it is completely dry, it becomes almost like an ash. But this is taking a reasonable amount of heat without it affecting the wax at all. So you can see the ash layer that is beginning to form. And this is why you do it at least 3 to 5 millimeters thick. And there is your piece of wax. The thermo paste is not even hot. And there is your complete piece, still intact and not melted. And the paste is not even hot to the touch. The heat paste comes in a 100-gram tub. You need to keep it in a cool, dry storage so that it doesn't dry out. And very easy to use, a shelf life of at least 2 years. Come get it in store at Cape Tools or order it online.